Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, today we're going to be making a really fun mini postcard that I created using these really awesome vintage Santas. This is just like a little mini embellishment that I'm going to use just to add to my Christmas journal that I'm putting together. But you can always obviously switch it around and actually make it into a real postcard if that's what you want to do. This is just giving you an idea on how I put it together and how it looks. And then you can always incorporate, your style into the embellishment. So let me show you what I did here. This is what I created. I thought it was a really cute little mini postcard. I thought it was awesome to create using some things that I had like around. I do have a postcard stamp that I got at Tuesday morning, but I'm under the understanding that not everybody is able to get a stamp that kind of has the image of a postcard. So I kind of DIY'd my own little postcard and I thought it turned out really cute. So this is the front part of it. It has this really cute little Santa with some really fun little embellishment and some cute stickers. And then on the back it has like a little kind of like a little journaling little spot here with a cute little Santa post stamp right there that we also created on our last video. So if you guys missed my last video, I showed you guys how to make this cute little DIY post stamp and it's super duper easy to create. So make sure you watch my last video. And so I added some stickers and some buttons, just some like really simple knickknacks. I know it doesn't really kind of look like a postcard, but it does give it the illusion of a little mini one, and it's just a really cute little embellishment to add to like a junk journal. I'm gonna add it to my Christmas journal, and so I thought it was just a really fun little item to add to my journal. So let me show you how I made this. And again, you can always switch it around and make your own little details if you want to make, for example, if you want to make this part where you write like a little message a little bit longer or bigger, you can do that. So just switch it around to your liking. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how I put this together. It's literally not at all too complicated. I just have a little piece of paper here that I got from my leftover project. It's a simple paper, and what I did was I kind of distressed the edges with brown ink, and it's just a simple little mini scrap paper. So what I did to my paper is I kind of embellished it a little bit. So I have here this well, I got this from the dollar store, and this comes in a little pack or in a little roll like this, okay? And so I already used the red one on this one here, so I'm going to use this one on this one. And all I did was I cut a little piece out, and I'm going to hot glue this right on top of my paper. That's literally all I did. So I'm going to just add a little bit of hot glue to one of the to the ends, and then I'm going to place this down, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to add more hot glue. Just kind of sporadically. And you should get something that looks like this. Now what I'm going to do is on the side over here, I'm going to add this cute little Santa right on this corner right here. This Santa I got from the paper that we used on our last project, and it's this paper right here that I got at scrapbook.com. I'll link at the bottom of the video the name of the paper. I just basically cut out the Santas, and I'm actually using it to make a nice little presentation on this side of the mini postcard. What I also did was I added some dimensions in the back of the Santa just to give it a nice little lift to the look of it, so it kind of looks a little bit more dimensional looking. So I'm going to remove this backing of the dimensions. I'm going to quickly add some hot glue, and then I'm going to adhere it to the postcard that we have here. There you go. That looks good there. I also added some buttons and some bling to make it look more festive. Here I added 2 buttons, so I'm going to do that here. I'm going to add 1 button here, and I'm going to add 1 button here. Just give me 1 second, guys. Let me go get some hot glue. Okay. All right, so let's glue down the buttons. There we go. And then I'm going to add a little bling on this corner right here, like I did right there. These are from the Dollar Tree, these little blings. So that's going to go literally there. So I'm going to chop off a little bit off. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to add this right here. There you go. And that looks nice. You see that? And then on this side, what I did here is I added a sticker, which the sticker is also from the same collection of the paper. I also purchased the sticker, which are these right here. I'm going to get maybe this one right here, and I'm going to add this sticker right over this corner right here. But before I do that, I'm going to add dimensions. And then I'm just going to add this sticker right on this corner right there. Let's add some hot glue, and gonna go right there. And then I'm gonna put a nice little button right on this area right here. And on this little area right here, like I did here, I'm gonna put this cute little bow that I made out of yarn right there. There you go. And that looks really cute. You see that? That looks super duper cute. as you can tell. I love it. On this corner over here, I also added some stickers that I also got from the little collection. So I'm gonna add a nice little line of sticker right here as well. This one says do not open till Christmas. Super cute. And I think we're done with this front part of the embellishment or the mini postcard. On the back, we're also going to work on it. So what we did here, very simple. We added our little DIY post stamp, which I have here. I'm going to put that together. I'm going to add some dimensions to the Santa. And I'm going to add the Santa to the scrap paper right here. And we're going to add this right on this area right here. And that's going to make it a cute little post stamp. Add some hot glue. You want to go, Lily? You want to go? Go. Okay. I'm going to add some hot glue. And we're going to add this to the corner of the little mini postcard. And that's going to look so cute. That already looks adorable. I love it. Okay. On this little corner right here, I just cut out an extra scrap paper. And I'm going to add this right on this corner right here. That's all I did. I'm going to add some double-sided tape. And I'm going to add this right in this little corner right here. I also distressed the edges on it. And then what I did is I cut a little piece of paper that had some line, as you can see there. I just cut a little strip of paper. I'm going to add this right into the front of my little square paper. We're going to add this right here. You finished, puppy? That was fast. Did you like it? Wow. Okay. You want more? All right. And then I'm going to add the two little buttons on each side of my little postcard. So I have here some red buttons. I'm obsessed with these red buttons. I'm going to add this right here. And then I'm going to add another red button on the opposite side, which is down here. Beautiful. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some stickers. So this leftover sticker that I have here, I'm going to add down here. So I'm going to add this one that says Santa Claus is coming to town. I'm going to add this right over this area. Just like that. And then I'm going to add the little piece of red strip sticker onto this area right here. And we are done, guys. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. We're not going to do anything else because actually I absolutely adore the way this looks. So this is how I created this really simple little tiny embellishment that kind of resembles a cute little postcard, as you can see there. It's just absolutely adorable. I absolutely love how this turned out. So, so, so cute. On the back, it looks absolutely just beautiful. You can write your person's name here if you want. This will be excellent to give as a Christmas mailing, happy mail to someone if you want. It's just adorable, super adorable, and super easy to create, as you can tell. All right, my beautiful crafty friends, I hope that you enjoy watching me make this adorable little mini postcard for Christmas. I hope that this gives you some really good inspiration and some ideas. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I love you all and have a fantastic weekend. Bye, babies.